When Demetrius Biller left his job as a top in-house lawyer for Toyota, he walked out with a nearly $4 million buyout. He also walked out with something perhaps even more valuable: internal documents, 6,000 of them, some potentially damaging.
Not potentially, they are. They are very damaging because these documents can be used to establish liability against Toyota.
Biller, who defended the auto giant in liability cases from 2003 to 2007, is now accusing Toyota of withholding information it was legally required to turn over during lawsuits.
There was a regular pattern and practice of not producing memos, minutes, reports, emails.
The documents, now the focus of hearings on Capitol Hill, include emails and memos Biller sent to Toyota officials concerning so-called books of knowledge, highly secretive data and testing records allegedly generated by Toyota engineers on everything from rollovers and roof safety to sudden unintended acceleration.
Are the documents that you have seen, are they a smoking gun or are they worse potentially?
Committee Chair Ed Towns says Toyota's documents show a systematic disregard for the law.
The material, I must admit, is very, very disturbing.
Toyota defends its actions, saying, "We are confident that we have acted appropriately with respect to all product liability litigation." Yet so far, the company has fought to keep the documents confidential and away from court cases like Penny Green's.
We were going to the movie, and I didn't make it.
Penny Green was 17 when the 1997 Camry she was driving swerved, rolled over, and landed upside down.
I remember when I opened my eyes, my nose it felt like it was almost touching my belly button. I was so curled up.
Green never walked again.
The roof didn't withstand the weight of the car like it's supposed to.
The case in 2006 settled for $1.5 million. The summary email Biller sent to his bosses says, quote, TMS concluded that it would be better to pay a premium to settle this case and avoid producing the books of knowledge. Believing he'd been given all relevant Toyota documents, Green's attorney, Jeff Embry, had no idea how close he'd come to uncovering Toyota's alleged secrets.
They were very careful to keep design information and very important information in Japan out of reach of our system.
Toyota says these are trade secrets. Do you feel that way?
Saying they're trade secrets doesn't mean you get to keep them secret from the court system.
So why, if Biller knew a judge had ordered all information be produced, didn't he produce it? He says he tried and was told not to by a superior who told him,
But you have to protect the client at all costs. I said, even if that means committing criminal acts or violating the law, and he said yes.
Asked about Biller's charges, Toyota says Mr. Biller continues to make inaccurate and misleading allegations about Toyota's conduct that we strongly dispute and will continue to fight against vigorously. Before leaving Toyota 4 years ago, Biller had a nervous breakdown, caused, he says, by stress. Still, he's confident his emails left a trail showing he tried to change Toyota.
The documents speak for themselves. I know what happened. I know exactly what happened. I know the names of the people who are responsible for it. I know where the skeletons are hidden.
As for Penny Green, if a judge finds Toyota did hide documents,
all I want is justice for that. They just need to take responsibility for their actions.